Hey Note 13 Pro users, welcome back to another new episode of Mobile Funda. So guys, after the release of HyperOS 3 update for the Note 13 Pro 5G and POCO X6 5G, now Xiaomi is gearing up for the next update, that is HyperOS 3.1. And yes, some beta build numbers have already been spotted online for multiple regions. And in this video we will talk about everything, what these builds mean and when you can expect this update on your device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the current update status. HyperOS 3 has already been released for these devices in many regions, but still some users haven't received the update yet. Don't worry, you will most probably get it by the end of this month. Now coming to the main point, that is HyperOS 3.1. Some beta build numbers have been spotted online for Note 13 Pro 5G and POCO X6 5G. And this clearly indicates that Xiaomi has started testing the next version of HyperOS 3. Now here's something interesting. A total of 7 regions have been spotted for beta testing. The first one is China, where the version is OS 3.0.300.1. The second one is global, and the version is also the same, OS 3.0.300.1. And similarly, if you look at the other regions, the OS version remains the same across all of them, which means Xiaomi is testing HyperOS 3.1 globally for these devices at the same time. Now if we talk about the release time, the beta update is expected to start rolling out from the second half of April or by the end of April for Note 13 Pro 5G in Chinese region. However, it will be interesting to see how quickly it arrives in other regions. So these are all the builds that have been spotted online for the Note 13 Pro 5G and POCO X6 5G. Now the big question is, what new features are coming? Well, since this is a minor update, you can expect better optimization, smoother performance and some bug fixes over HyperOS 3. And by the way, are you excited for the HyperOS 3.1 update on your Note 13 Pro 5G or POCO X6 5G? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more Note 13 Pro updates in the future. See you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring.